Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel where we share tips and tricks for healthy skin. Before start video, please subscribe to our channel for latest updates. Today's video is all about sunburns and how to get rid of them. Sunburns can be painful and cause damage to our skin, so it's important to know how to treat them properly. In this video, we will share some easy and effective home remedies to get rid of sunburns. Sunburns occur when our skin is exposed to the sun's UV rays for a prolonged period of time. It can cause redness, pain, and peeling of the skin. To avoid sunburns, it's important to wear sunscreen with a high SPF and protective clothing. But if you do end up with a sunburn, here are some remedies you can try at home. First is aloe vera. That is a popular remedy for sunburns due to its cooling and moisturizing properties. You can apply fresh aloe vera gel directly on the affected area or use aloe vera lotion or cream. This will help to soothe the skin and reduce inflammation. Green tea. Green tea contains antioxidants that can help to reduce inflammation and redness caused by sunburns. You can apply cool green tea bags directly on the affected area or use green tea as a toner. Cucumber slices. Cucumbers are also great for treating sunburns due to their cooling and hydrating properties. You can apply sliced cucumbers directly on the affected area or use cucumber juice as a toner. Oatmeal. Oatmeal can help to soothe and reduce inflammation caused by sunburns. You can make a paste with oatmeal and water and apply it directly on the affected area or use oatmeal as a bath soak. Milk. Milk contains lactic acid that can help to exfoliate and moisturize the skin. You can apply cool milk directly on the affected area or use milk as a bath soak. These are some of the easy and effective home remedies to get rid of sunburns. Remember to avoid direct sunlight and wear protective clothing and sunscreen to prevent sunburns in the first place. If you have severe sunburns with blisters, it's important to seek medical attention. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on healthy skin.